Hi guys, today we will talk about the On-Board Diagnostic code number P0132. This channel is all about OBD codes, so make sure you have subscribed. Let's start. What does the P0132 code mean? Typically, code P132 indicates a high voltage O2 oxygen sensor circuit. This code appears when the oxygen sensor's voltage reading is too high, as determined by the powertrain control module. Sometimes the oxygen sensor doesn't react quickly enough to account for the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, causing the code to set. The voltage may have gotten too high and lingered there longer than it should have. Each manufacturer determines the time in a unique way. How serious is the P132 code? P132 will typically not prevent you from operating your vehicle. However, performance issues might worsen and the car might use more fuel than is necessary. The car may emit more pollutants into the atmosphere while dealing with these problems. It is best to have the car examined as soon as a problem is discovered. There is no guarantee that you will continue to be able to operate the vehicle. If the problem worsens, you might end up stranded. The P132 code's root causes. The oxygen sensor is typically the source of P132 code issues, but there are other possible issues as well. Some of the most typical causes are listed below. Faulty wiring or an electrical circuit, malfunctioning engine coolant temperature sensor, overly high fuel pressure, faulty oxygen sensor, the mass airflow sensor is inoperative. What repairs can fix the P132 code? To decide what needs to be repaired, a thorough diagnosis is required. However, the following fixes may be able to fix the P132 error code. Change the oxygen sensor. Change the mass airflow sensor. Fuel system fix. Fix any wiring or electrical issues. PCM update. Replace PCM. Replace the engine's coolant temperature sensor. Hope this information was useful for you. If so, please subscribe to the channel and press the like button.